Hi, good morning everyone. My name is Akshara. I am studying in 5th class. My school name is Chanakya Coaching Classes. Today I am going to explain about Karnataka. Karnataka is the 6th largest state in India. It covers the area 1,19,791 square kilometer. Population of Karnataka 6,11,30,704 according to census 2011. Mother tongue of Karnataka is Kannada. Karnataka Day is celebrated on November 1st, 1956. Divisions. Karnataka is divided into 4 divisions. There are Mysuru Division, Bangalore Division, Belagavi Division, Kalaburagi Division. Karnataka. Symbols of Karnataka. Our state anthem is Jai Bharata Jananiya Tanujate, was written by Kuyempu. Our state bird Nilakanta. Our state animal elephant. Our state tree sandalwood tree. Our state flower lotus. Our state dance Yakshagana and Dollu Kunita. Our state emblem Ganda Berunda. Our state flag color yellow and red. Karnataka and their districts. Our state has 31 districts. There are Bagalakot, Bangalore Urban, Bangalore Rural, Belagavi, Ballari, Bidar, Vijaypur, Vijaynagar, Chamarajanagar, Chikkaballapuru, Chikkamangaluru, Chitradurga, Dakshin Kannada, Davangere, Dharwad, Gadag, Haveri, Hassan, Kalaburagi, Kodagu, Kolar, Koppal, Mandya, Mysore, Raichur, Ramnagar, Tumkur, Shivamogga, Udupi, Uttar Kannada, Yadgiri. Belagavi is the largest district of Karnataka. Bangalore Urban is the smallest district of Karnataka. Vijaynagar is a new district of Karnataka. Famous districts of Karnataka. Davangere, it is also called as Manchester of Karnataka. Kodagu, Kashmir of Karnataka. Navamangaluru, Gateway of Karnataka. Chikkamangaluru, Coffee City of Karnataka. Agumbe, Chirapunji of Karnataka. Bangalore, Silicon City of Karnataka. Davangere, Heart of Karnataka. Kadumaki, Haven of Karnataka. Chamarajanagar, Silk City of Karnataka. Haveri, Cardamom City of Karnataka. Agumbe, Cobra City of Karnataka. Mysore, Garden City of Karnataka. Bangalore, capital of Karnataka. Dakshin Kannada, Uttar Kannada, Udupi, coastal city of Karnataka. Ramnagar, vulture sanctuary of Karnataka. Mysore, green city of Karnataka. Neighboring state of Karnataka. They are Goa, Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Thank you.